Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to clear the DNS cache for Chrome, Edge, and Firefox browsers, which can help you to resolve various connectivity issue. Here I have list of commands for different browsers. Let's start with Chrome browser. Open your Chrome browser and type this command, then press enter. Now click on DNS in the left side panel. Next click on Clear Host Cache. Now, let's move on to Microsoft Edge. The process is quite similar. Simply type this command in the URL bar and press enter. Now clear host cache. Lastly, let's clear the DNS cache in Mozilla Firefox. Type in the command and press enter. Now go to DNS section and clear DNS cache. Let's refresh history page. And there you have it. We've successfully cleared the DNS cache, Chrome, Edge, and Firefox. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any queries, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more useful tips and tutorials.